In this video, we are going to review the best snow cone machines available in the current market. After reviewing 10 snow cone machines and interviewing 50 users, we built this best list for you.
Number 1.
VIVOHOME Electric Ice Crusher Shaver Snow Cone Maker Machine. The machine can help you meet large demand without any challenges. The ice crusher is designed using high-quality food-grade stainless steel hopper and blade to ensure high levels of hygiene. Its base is sturdy enough, providing you with a stable working station. The machine is designed with the user in mind. Its on-off water-resistant switch is programmed to automatically cut power off and stop the blade from rotating when the hopper handle is open, preventing injury.
Number 2.
Nostalgia SCM 502 Vintage Snow Cone Maker. This Nostalgia SCM 502 Snow Cone Maker is ideal for home use. Its classic vintage design adds elegant looks to your home. The electric machine features stainless steel cutting blades which turn those regular ice cubes into tiny pieces faster. Its inbuilt safety switch helps prevent injury when using the device. The machine can hold 20 snow cones with a shelf-holding capability of 2 cone cups at a time. The device is BPA-free and ideal for use with Nostalgia snow cone kits.
Number 3.
Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A Electric Shaved Ice Machine. The machine is easy to operate. Besides shaving ice, the device is also a great choice for margaritas, snow cone, slushies and other fun drinks. Its compact and sleek design adds elegance to your home and makes the machine an attractive countertop appliance. Storage of the machine has never been this easy, thanks to its easy-to-disassemble parts which allow you to disassemble it in seconds. The machine is BPA-free and ETL listed, ensuring every bit of ice you enjoy is healthy. Though the device has great features, it's not recommended for continuous use or commercial purposes.
Number 4.
Nostalgia RSM 702 Retro Single Snow Cone Maker. Its stainless steel blades shave ice into the desired fluffy consistency. The machine is a countertop model which touts of its retro design, bringing that stylish look in your home. Nostalgia RSM 702 is handy and designed for standardly sized ice cubes. Included in the package is a reusable plastic cone for preparing your snow cones. Note that this machine will only allow you to prepare a single snow serving at a time.
Number 5.
Hawaiian Shaved Ice S700 Snow Cone Machine. This snowmaker from Hawaiian is one of its kinds. The machine comes equipped with all the requirements you need to share that delicious and tasty snow cone with your loved ones. The machine features a compact design with high-precision S700 steel blades for faster and efficient shaving. Its blades can be adjusted to shave the ice to desired texture. Operation of the machine is easy, a plus feature which makes the machine an ideal for beginners.